Welcome to our thorough analysis of TurboScribe. TurboScribe is a cutting-edge transcription software that uses advanced technology to convert speech into text. It's designed to offer high accuracy and efficiency, making it a top choice for professionals in various fields. From academic researchers to journalists, TurboScribe has got you covered. TurboScribe boasts several impressive features. It offers automatic transcription, which saves time and effort. The software also supports multiple languages, making it versatile and globally applicable. Plus, it has a user-friendly interface and allows for easy editing and formatting of transcriptions. You can even export your transcriptions in various formats. TurboScribe offers flexible pricing options to cater to different needs. There's a free version available, perfect for those who need minimal transcription services. For heavy users, the premium package offers unlimited transcriptions at a cost-effective monthly subscription. They also offer custom pricing for businesses, providing a tailored solution to suit your organization's needs. TurboScribe proves useful in various scenarios. Journalists can use it to transcribe interviews, while researchers can convert recorded observations into text. It's also handy for students transcribing lectures and professionals converting meetings into minutes. With its high-speed transcription, it's an excellent tool for anyone in need of quick and accurate text conversion. TurboScribe offers numerous advantages. It provides high-speed transcription, saving users valuable time. The software is also renowned for its accuracy, ensuring the quality of your transcriptions. Plus, it's easy to use and requires no technical expertise. And with its flexible pricing, TurboScribe caters to a wide range of users. Despite its strengths, TurboScribe has a few limitations. The free version has a limited number of transcriptions per month. Also, while it supports many languages, it may not cover all dialects or accents accurately. And while it's user-friendly, it might take some time for beginners to get used to the software. In conclusion, TurboScribe is a powerful transcription tool that offers great speed and accuracy. While it has a few limitations, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses. With its user-friendly interface and flexible pricing options, it's an excellent choice for various transcription needs. Here are the key takeaways. TurboScribe is efficient, accurate, and user-friendly. It offers flexible pricing options, making it accessible for different users. While it has a few limitations, it's a highly beneficial tool for a wide range of transcription needs. Now, it's time for a quick Q&A session. Feel free to ask any questions you might have about TurboScribe. We're here to help you understand this tool better and make the most out of it. Thank you for watching our analysis of TurboScribe. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy transcribing.